Hi everyone. Today we are going to see the topic on line codes. Line codes are nothing but the waveforms that can be used to transmit our messages through the channels. Line codes is nothing but a type of encoding technique that are data bits that can be converted into waveforms that are suitable for transmission over the channels what we are using. There are different types of line codes available. The types of line codes are basic type is non-written to zero and written to zero. Non-written to zero in the sense it will have the full bit period. The pulse will be present. Usually, we all know that the pulse will be there if one is transmitted, and pulse will not be there if zero is transmitted. Next thing is NRZ and RZ. Non-written to zero and written to zero. Non-written to zero. The difference between non-written to zero and written to zero is in non-written to zero you will have a full bit period time. For example, for what you can see in this first bit, the first bit represents 1. In that 1, the pulse is present over the full bit period. For 0 also, and it will continue till your code remains. Then that is, and you can see here then it is RZ, that is written to 0. You will be having the pulse. The same format is followed here. That is, if 1 is present, pulse will be there. If 0 is present, pulse will not be there. In return to 0, for 0 your signal will be in bias condition, but in non-return to 0, for 1 positive pulse is there, and 0 it is in bias condition. Then for again 1 the pulse is there. The format is same, but the main difference is for NRZ you will be having the pulse over the full bit time period, and for RZ you will be having the pulse only for half the bit period. Can you get my point? I am repeating it again. For NRZ you will be having pulse for full bit time period, and for RZ you will be having the pulse for half bit time period. Okay, and the types in NRZ are NRZ-L, NRZ-M, NRZ-S. L represents level and M represents mark and S represents space. Now we will see the difference between all these three. For NRZ-L, I have already said pulse will be present if 1 is there, 1 is transmitted, and pulse will not be there. That is, your signal will be in bias condition if 0 is present. Right? For 0, signal will be in bias condition. For 1, the pulse will be present. Here continuously 2 ones are there, so the pulse is going on. And for NRZ mark, it is different, that the transition will be there only if 1 is present. That is, for alternate ones, the pulse will you will be having the pulse in positive and negative pulse. That is, for first bit, first one, you will be having the positive pulse, and it goes on as it is. 0 does nothing in this NRZ mark here. Okay, so for first one the pulse is going on, it continues. Then you will be having the second one here. For second one it should be opposite to the first one, so it has a positive pulse in first one, so opposite to that, in the sense second one will have a negative pulse, and it goes on. So 0 does nothing, so it remains in the same place, and again the next one comes, so it should be in positive, and then continuously next one comes, so it should be in negative pulse, and it goes on because you will be having continuous zeros, so it does nothing, so it goes on. So in the way it will continue. And next we are going for NRZ. Yes, that is space. In space you will be having the same thing. In NRZ mark, 1 starts from the positive phase, and in 0 does nothing. Then for alternate ones, positive and negative will change, and for it will start from the positive pulse. For NRZ space, it starts from the negative space and it go for 0. It can be said it is like alternate to NRZ mark. That is, for 1 it does nothing, and for 0 pulse will be there. That is, alternate zeros, the pulse should change. For first 0, pulse will be in positive side, and for second zero it will be in negative side. So it is fully opposite to an RZM. For one it does nothing, zero so positive and it remains same place, and for next zero comes, so it will be negative, it remains because one is there, so it goes on. Then RZ, I have already said, for RZ 1 will have a pulse, 0 will not have a pulse. So and the difference is RZ will having a half bit period. So it goes on like this. And next is bifacial and bifacium. Biface is nothing but, bi in the sense, you already know what is bi. Bi in the sense dual role, two. So two phase will be there. In bifacial, yeah, these are all will come under return to zero type. So in bifacial, for 1 first half of the bit is used, and for 0 second half of the bit is used. So bifacial, the first bit is 1, so first half is there, and for second half it will be in bias condition, and next is 0, so it will first half it will be in bias condition, second half it will go to second half the pulse will be there, so it continues. And next is bifacium, that is biface mark. For here 0 does nothing, for 1 alone you will be having the half bit period pulse. So I already said this will come under return to 0, so this is 1 half bit period is taken, and again the remaining half will come to the bias condition. For 0 it does nothing, only the full half bit period will be there, and again 1, so first it took first half, and second one it will take second half, and if another one comes, it will take first half, and for next one it will take second half, so alternately it will go on. And for biface, yes, for 1 you will be having full bit period, and for 0 you will be having half bit period. It is opposite to bifacium. In bifacium, for 1 you will be having half bit period and 0 full bit period. In biface, yes, you will be having full bit period for 1 and half bit period for 0. So it continues. And differential Manchester, it will there will be a transition differential Manchester where 0 and 1 changes. That is, if there is a transition from 1 to 0, you will be having bit period. That is alternate bit period. That is, for 1 it starts from the second half, 0 it continues to the second half, and for next one it is first half, and for 0 first half, and 1 second half, and next is 1 so first half, and 0 first half, again 0 so first half, so it continues. And bipolar, in the sense, in bipolar it's very easy, it will also come under return to zero type. In bipolar, first one it will choose the first half, and for 0 it does nothing, it will be in bias condition. So first one first half, and it for second one first half, and 0 it does nothing. For third one this all you will be having the half bit period pulse alternatively for each and every one. Okay, thanks for watching.